Is that our driver? Yeah, he's like...
Yo, alright, it's Thursday. Had workouts at Sim this morning, both went pretty well. Yeah, both went pretty good. Now I'm about to eat breakfast. Although it is 11 o'clock. And then we'll hit the road to Darlington. Alright, all done at the shop. I don't know if you can see me. Left the shop, and now we're getting gas at none other than Sunoco.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Another place, Sunoco, fueling victories.
Been on the road for probably about an hour so far. Almost halfway. We just crossed into South Carolina not too long ago, so really hoping it don't rain tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just praying it doesn't rain tomorrow. I really want to get the race in, so yeah, otherwise just plugging along. Looking along. I didn't get up at 6 this morning, so that's probably why I'm tired.
What up? It's race day. About to leave the hotel. Go eat. So I do like going to Darlington. I do like coming here to Darlington, to Timmonsville, to Florence. Had I drove down this morning, I mean, it would have been fine. But it is nothing good to eat besides Waffle House. Anybody trying to eat Waffle House on race day? Well, maybe after, but anywho, we about to leave the hotel. I'm praying the race gets in. Here's what outside looks like. Yeah, so alright, let's roll. I don't know why I said that like that. Anyway, also look at my shoes. These shoes I'm wearing today. I wore Air Force One to Vegas. I wore the Chicago 1985 ones. Not the Miles Morales joints. Anyway, let's bounce. This looks so good. Go!
in the day, Winston, that we had.
So I think like lap time, looking at as a whole, like I think we're looking at Phoenix.
First start here last year, ended up 6th. Hoping to better that just a little bit, or if not a lot. Ooh, oh, sideways. He gets into the wall just a bit. Does he get that Darlington stripe? He keeps his foot in it.
Meanwhile,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
eventually,
All right, here's the update. It's rained for 5 hours. It's 9:30. We're gonna get this on the road. We're show on the road. Hopefully we win.
Sort of. I need a Celsius. I'll get one on the first pit stop.
You know, leaders are going to be coming in a hurry after we drop to the back, so we gotta time our runs and do our best to just keep making lap time, right? Just make it distance.
And keep in mind here early, there's still some water kind of coming out from the safer barrier, playing against the wall both ends. So get a good look at your racetrack, and then protect the right side. 2, 1, stay ready. Ready, green, green, green. Stay on top, even 33. All clear. At your bumper, you have momentum. Clear, all clear. Keep rolling the top on them. Good work being patient, man. Don't be greedy, just climb it up.
Look at this.
Drama intensify. We're going for stage points.
There's that 3 wide I was talking about, and he made it work.
The old 2 for 1.
All right, stage, checkered at the line. P2, man, nice job. It's probably the most fun you're going to have all night.
Got 2 sets left. You're getting 1 right now. All right, 4 tires, no adjustments, fellas. 4 tires, no adjustments.
You're good. We got some track position. You know, you got a good truck. Just go right back to work.
Bad restart by Grant Enfinger.
And stacked him up a bit like an accordion.
Oh! Check up low. We're wrecked big, boys.
Caution comes out for the 6th time. Raja Karuth is in it. Lane Riggs is in it. So many good trucks.
Man, I got to thank Mr. H and the whole automotive group for putting me in this truck this year. And hey, we stayed here all day and got to go home with the torn up truck. But this is a fun racetrack. I wish we went here more than once. Again, it's just a bummer. So I think we had a really strong truck, but my guys built fast pieces, and we'll go get them next week.
Overall, Darlington, not what we hoped to be with the end result. Started off today, practice. I felt good about how I executed the plan. Just one little thing I wanted to kind of work on in turn 1 and 2, and I just didn't really get to do it, which I figured out in the race. But qualifying, I was tracking a good lap and cut too much of the apron and de-wedged it and got loose and hit the wall, and so had to fix it. It started at the back, but we got to around 15th, 16th there, middle of the second stage, just for people mirror driving, which it happens. came and got tires to get some track position, which was a really good call. And then pit stop, I slid a little bit long. I picked the top, and I gave up a row, and obviously the dude that picked bottom went it up and crashed us all. So bummer. It's always fun driving at that racetrack. It's always a lot of fun. So definitely stinks to not have a good finish in a destroyed truck, but man, I'm glad we got stage points and salvaged something out of the day, and then we can go to Wilkesboro next week and have a lot better race than we did last year. Got to keep plugging away. It was nothing in our control. Minor things that I can do better, for sure, but just keep on digging. So thank y'all for the support.